Top amp seems it's blowing. We're gonna pull that out. But integration, replace new CD player, and take out an inline mixer and put in a multi-mixer that will create more space if they want to connect to anything, and nothing punch. It's just either up or down. It's got the USB connection for computer integration. It's got a 2 mic input, it's got a CD input, and it will also have an input for phone. Now these are 2 couple speakers playing right now. Speaker 1. Speaker 2. So we got this speaker, this one, and that other one which is not playing, which is connected to the blown amplifier, which is not coming on. But this is fine. This will like really good. And I'm back to that room where I gotta start packing up my stuff and head on out. Because you know, day is not done, work is still going on. I like this. It's all the way down here and it's kicking up outside. Real good. So now I gotta pull out this Ashley and go work on this bad boy. Well, so much for the shop.